Trading hub. This is just a skit. Again, this is just a skit. I'm so poor. I only have this homemade butter. I could try to scam someone. Trading real butter squishy. It's super rare. Going once, going twice. Hi, I would like to offer. I'm going to offer you this carrot, this paw squishy, another butter, but it's like breaking, so, you know. And I'll add this nice cube. You know, just take everything. Except, because I can add more. Okay, yeah, sure, I'll accept because, you know, I don't want you to add all of your stuff. Make sure you don't squeeze it until you get home because, like, you don't want people seeing you with it and everyone will want to trade you for it, you know? Alright. I guess I'll believe you. Have a nice day. Bye. Whoa. Did she just scam me? It's okay. Because I am the king of this town and I have all of these squishies. I'm going to go bring them back to the trading hub and scam someone with their butter and see if I can get even more squishies. Whoa, that person over there seems pretty rich. I'm going to try to scam them. Can I offer for all of your stuff, please? I don't have those yet, and I'm a collector, you know. Like, I collect all squishies. Of course. I have my carrot here. I have this butter squishy. I have this purple Nido, this homemade blue Nido, this pink goose, and this paw. Can you add, please? Okay, I will offer. Is there anything that you need to look for? Because I have, like, every squishy. Oh, I know a squishy that you don't have. You don't have the banana. Oh, yes, I do. She really thought I didn't have every single squishy. I mean, what kind of person doesn't have the banana? No offense, but the banana is really easy to get. Oh, anyways, I have the banana here, but you're gonna need to, like, accept an underpay because the banana's, like, pretty hard to find. She doesn't know that it's really easy. I have a real squishy butter, if you don't want me to add a butter. I have a mochi. Here, I'll give you a blue. Nice, cute. And the last thing I'm giving you is this super rare balloon dog. So it's, like, really fair. Also, I'm famous, so you have to accept. Accept. Thank you for my dream banana. It's, like, really rare. I know that you overpaid a lot because of how rare all these things are. But you can go ahead and take all of the items now. Bye. Have a nice day. Whoa, this guy just gave me this stand balloon dog? This is really cool. Wow. And this nice cube isn't the best, but it's, like, really rare, so I could trade it for good stuff. And this, wow. I'm going to try to trade someone. Take your stuff, please. Bye. Have a nice day. You know, just move along. Bye. I'm going to try to trade this nice cube. Trading blue nice cube. Going once, going twice. Oh, there's a new person at the trading hub. I'll offer the strawberry for the nice cube. Would you like a little strawberry? I can add two. Add, please. Okay, I will add this llama foam squishy. It is very rare. You can only get it one place. And I also have this very rare snail squishy as well. And I have this squishy simple dimple. It squishes and it's a little simple dimple. Please accept. Add please, ma'am. Okay, this is my last thing and it's pretty fair. Because all of these things are really, really rare. So you're going to want to accept now. Okay, well, whatever. I know she's trying to scam me, but she's just an old granny, so maybe she doesn't. I'll accept, ma'am. Thank you. You can take my stuff like after I grab all yours. Bye. Have a nice day. Just move along. And just move along from the scam, Bye. That girl over there seems like really famous. She's recording herself and her squishies, and I could definitely get a scam on camera, and everyone will recognize her, and she will have to face the hate. Hi, can I put some stuff and maybe you can offer? Sure. I'm recording, by the way, live stream. All right, me too. I have that. I also have a butter. Oh, and I also have a real nice cube. It's not homemade or anything. See, it's not homemade or popped. It's a really good neato. And my last thing is probably gonna be this. It feels like the Mellow Mallow. So you're gonna want to accept the trade. For whatever you offer. Like, they're so rare. Guys, I think I've seen those on TikTok. I'm gonna probably offer most of my things. Okay. I don't know what to offer. They're so rare. I'll give her this banana. I'll trade you the banana, and hold on, I'm gonna add, because I know that all of those are like probably really rare. I've seen them on TikTok. I have the strawberries. I have this balloon dog, and I have this llama, and take my simple dimple, and snow. Just take all of it, okay? That is all my stuff, and I can't add more, so accept. Accept! Oh, yes! Make sure you grab, the stuff, like, once I grab all of this. Wait, you just scammed me. That's what I always say when I scam someone. Trade back. Girl? No. Take your stuff. I don't want them anymore. They're like such scams. They're all over TikTok for being like the most scammed items. I bought this at the trading person place, and it's like really good. So I'm gonna try to trade something and say that there's a bunch of squishies inside. And I have a scam. Okay, so we have these dumpling cases with the lid, and I could take the dumpling out and put a bunch of squishies in there and say it's like a really, really rare pack, and just put a bunch of like mochis that are worthless. Alright, that's a pretty good scam. Okay. I have this snail mochi, this simple dimple. I have this fox donut squishy. I have this air-filled squishy. It's really bad. And I have this Crayola globble. I think that's enough. That's too light. Okay, I have this mochi. It's like really, really hard. So, okay. I mean, I could just say it's like a dumpling inside, and it's a glitter dumpling. I don't know why it's not. I'll add that just to be nice, because I feel really bad, like, scamming and all. And to, like, get their money's worth, I'll add this, stack and 6 blocks. I'll sprinkle some on it just to, like, let them know it's, like, a surprise. When they first open it, they can't get a peek right away. That's good. It doesn't close, but I could say it's the new Rare Galaxy Rainbow Glitter Dumpling, which would make them really, 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 really want it. So I'm sure that will make them happy. trading the new Rainbow Galaxy Glitter Rainbow new dumpling. It's like really rare. And I have these sticky stacking block squishy fidgets. Going to me. I want to offer. I don't even care what I offer. I could like literally offer my whole bin because I'm a dumpling collector. Okay, anyways, I'll offer this. Someone just gave me with this. I don't know. And this. And this. And this. Oh my god. And this thing I have. Okay, now I have the good stuff. I'm so sorry about that. Got this nice cube. So do you accept? Oh, actually, I'm really under. I know that you're gonna say that. That's my whole bin, and honestly, I don't mind adding the whole thing, but I would like some leftovers, so I just add that thing. I don't really care about any of my things in my bin. Some Neatos and crap, like it's really like something a poor person would have. I think I'm ready to accept. Yes. Whoa. I would like to accept.